SmartThings app not working. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First and foremost, make sure that your SmartThings application is updated. Head over to your Play Store and search for SmartThings. If the application shows open, it means it's updated. But if you see update, tap onto update and update your app. Once you do so, head over to your settings and scroll below onto apps. Here, search for SmartThings. Once you see the app, tap onto it and go on to storage. Then clear the cache. Also clear the application's data, but before doing so, make sure that you remember your credentials. Then tap on delete, come back, and tap on force stop. Tap on OK, and see if this fixes your app not working problem. If you are still facing that issue, then uninstall this application and reinstall it again. Tap onto it and tap on uninstall. Tap on OK, and this will definitely fix your problem. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.